Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with an app already open. This makes split view immediate. Swipe up slightly from the bottom to reveal the dock, then drag a second app icon toward the left or right screen edge until a black bar appears. That creates split view. Once done, make sure to adjust the divider to allocate space where you need it. This method is fast because you avoid closing apps or diving into settings. It uses the dock and drag gestures that iPadOS optimizes for multitasking. Next, bring a third app into view as slide over by dragging it from the dock into the middle of the screen. It floats over your split view, keeping both primary apps visible. Once slide over is open, swipe the small handle left or right to switch slide over apps quickly. To see multiple windows for one app, touch and hold its dock icon, or use App Exposé by swiping up on the app to reveal all open windows. This helps you pick the exact window you need without disrupting layout. Finally, refine the layout. Drag the divider to resize apps or swipe the slide over down to temporarily hide it. If you have Stage Manager on your iPad, arrange windows and save that workspace for quick recall. Otherwise, recreate a split view and slide over when needed. If things go wrong, apps won't dock or gestures fail, force quit the offending app and restart the iPad, and confirm multitasking is enabled in settings. This resolves most common issues without losing your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.